Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's get started by blending syllables. So I will give you each word part, you'll repeat the word parts, and then we'll blend the word together. Here we go. President. President. Leftovers. Leftovers. Pillowcase. Pillowcase. Gasoline. Gasoline. Every day. Every day. Last one. Identify. Identify. Good job. Okay, now we are going to segment words into syllable parts. So we'll clap these out. I'll say the word and then you repeat the word and then we'll clap them to count the syllables. The first word is July. July. 2 syllables. Fantastic. Fantastic. 3 syllables. The next word is papers. Papers. 2 syllables. The next word is location. Location. 3 syllables. And the last one is video. Video. 3 syllables. Good. Now let's do some vowel substitution. So that's when we are changing the medial vowel sound that's in the middle or at the top of the roller coaster. The first word is buck. Change a to a. Back. The next word is breed. Change e to e. Bread. The word is crab. Change a to I. Crib. The word is hope. Change o to ah. Hop. The word is boat. Change o to a. But. The word is cone. Change o to a. Cane. All right. Now we're going to add, okay, so the last 2 days we've been adding suffixes. So we start with the word and then we add a word part to the end. That's a suffix. Today we're going to add some prefixes. So we're starting with the word and then we're adding a prefix to the beginning of the word. Here we go. The word is lock. Add un to the beginning. Unlock. The word is kind. Add un to the beginning. Unkind. The word is tell. Add re to the beginning. Retell. The word is read. Add re to the beginning. Reread. Good job. All right, now we're going to remove those prefixes. So we'll start with the whole word and then we'll remove just that word part from the beginning. The word is uncooked. Without un, the word is cooked. The word is unsafe. Without un, the word is safe. The word is reheat. Without re, the word is heat. The word is reopen. Without re, the word is open. Good job today.